Hello, good afternoon, my pretty, lovely, and super gorgeous ladies. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Patni Center, Secunderabad, Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful. And let's start with my sari. I'm wearing very pretty tomato pink and red mixed dual tone sari with black combination. Beautiful, gorgeous black combination. All over anta kuda cross lines design, white color low. Zigzag. This is the beautiful border contrast, kaddi and black contrast with ikat design, diamonds and florals with parrots. Pichukalu vachayandi, chinchini pichukalu, and this is the pallu. Contrast with borders, florals వచ్చింది. బ్లాక్ బ్లౌజ్ వస్తుందండి, ప్లెయిన్ విత్ బార్డర్. అండ్ ఈ శారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ కోసం టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ సెండ్ us on 733-733-7000. Let's see next saree. Do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Beautiful Rama green, pink and blue combination. Lovely saree. anta kuda cross stripes design andi. Border down side anta kuda swans vachayi, blocks lo diamonds. Blue color border with zari lines. Here it is kaddi. Pallu contrast royal blue with borders, plan buttas borders. Blouse contrast with ikat buttas and border. Saree pricing and details 11,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AB494. Next saree. Yes, cream with red and beautiful red color. Check saree. Downside checks with diamonds and florals, blocks. And here oval shape plan buttas in black color. And this is the diamond brocade. పళ్ళు అంతా కూడా ఇలా డైమండ్స్ వచ్చి బార్డర్స్ వచ్చాయండి. కాంట్రాస్ట్ పళ్ళు. బ్లౌజ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ ఇక్కత్ వీవ్ విత్ బార్డర్. సారీకి కూడా బ్లౌజ్కి కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ డిజైన్ వచ్చింది డైమండ్స్. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 12,690. AV514 is the code. Yes, na saree pricing and details will give you andi. Just wait and do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook Brand Mandir page. YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. And my saree pricing and details, it's 10,890. AV564 is the code. Yeah. Next saree. Yeah. Blue and pink combination. All over body anta kuda diya booties and lovely diamond border contrast with kaddi. Pallu anta kuda diamond design, cross checks with diamonds. Contrast pallu, blouse contrast, plain with border. Saree pricing and details 6,570. AV492 is the code. Next saree. బ్యూటిఫుల్ మరూన్ బ్లాక్ గ్రీన్ మల్టీ కలర్స్ వచ్చాయండి. మెయిన్ బ్యాక్ వచ్చేసి బ్లాక్ కలర్, బ్లాక్ అండ్ మరూన్ కాంబినేషన్. అంతా కూడా ఇట్లా క్రాస్ కర్వ్స్ వచ్చాయి, కర్వీ బుట్టాస్లో అంతా ఫ్లోరల్స్ డైమండ్స్ వచ్చాయి అండ్ ప్లెయిన్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్. పల్లు కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ డైమండ్ బుట్టాస్, ఇక్కడ డైమండ్ బుట్టాస్. Blouse contrast plain. Saree pricing and details. 10,890. AB516 is the code. Yeah. Next saree, half white with the green, floral printed with beautiful floral printed. And downside anta kuda contrast with cross checks and diamonds, ikkat buttas and kaddi border. Pallu anta kuda cross checks with diamonds and florals, contrast pallu. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 11,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AV502. Yep. Next saree, purple and pink, beautiful saree. All over anta kuda diamonds, deers, florals vachayandi, very pretty. Contrast pink color, contrast kaddi border. This is the pallu, contrast with the diamonds and floral borders. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 10,890. Take a screenshot along with the code AV518. Beautiful saree. Next saree, very lovely parrot green and pink. Beautiful florals. Elephants, beautiful florals in yellow and pink combination borders. Kaddi with diamond buttas. Pallu elephants and florals vachayandi, contrast pallu. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. 9,000. Take a screenshot along with the code AB525. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yeah. Next saree, maroon color. Anta kuda cross ikka design, cross lines, and this is the beautiful border with elephants and ambari. Beautiful. Pallu anta kuda very pretty maroonish red and lovely checks with ambaris, elephants and ambaris. Blouse plain andi, self plain. Saree pricing and details. 13,410. Take a screenshot along with the code AB498. Yeah. Next beautiful saree, బ్యూటిఫుల్ yellow and navy blue, mustard yellow, self checks వచ్చాయండి, beautiful, and downside navy blue border, and we got orange border also, like temples, long and short temples with brown color, and this is the navy blue with zigzag lines, white color, and this is the pallu with diamonds, blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. 8,100. Take a screenshot along with the code AB517. Yeah, next sari. Yeah, purple and green. All over anta kuda plant buttas vachayandi, lovely border with diamonds and kaddi contrast, pallu contrast with diamond borders, blouse contrast plain with border. Pricing and details 6,570. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Yes, next beautiful sari, blue, white and pink. Anta kuda zigzag weave and blocks in the middle, and border kaddi border. Upper side we got blue color plain, madhyalo anta white color, and this is the pallu contrast with diamonds, ikkad diamond weave, blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details 6,570. Take a screenshot along with the code AB479. Next sari, green, red and blue, navy blue. Anta kuda plant buttas vachai all over the body. Downside we got red and orange borders with temple, and navy blue diamonds and kaddi. Pallu contrast navy blue border, pallu with diamonds with a triangle design, and this is the blouse contrast with border. Sari pricing and details 6,570. Take a screenshot along with the code AB475. Blue and pink, beautiful diya design, border contrast with diamonds, temples and kaddi contrast, pallu contrast with cross checks and diamonds, diamond shaped florals, blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details 6,570. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for everyday exciting deals. Do visit our Brand Mandir store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills, and one more store, road number 10 Banjara Hills, and brand new Brand Mandir store at Patni Center, Secunderabad. Come down and check our collection and explore our wide range of lovely collections. Andy, let's see another sari. Lovely mustard and black combination. All over anta kuda ikkad zigzag lines vachai, downside black plain borders, and in the ending we got beautiful kaddi, 1-inch kaddi border, and this is the pallu. Ila wavy lines to contrast pallu with wavy lines yellow to, and this is the contrast blouse, black with border. Very pretty combination, mustard yellow with black. These are budget friendly sarees, only 6,570. Ikkat pattu. Next saree, beautiful parrot green and pink. Anta kuda triangular buttas vachai, and border contrast with zigzag lines and 2-inch kaddi borders. Pallu contrast with diamonds. Thank you so much, Ruth Garu. Thank you so much. Keep on supporting Brand Mandir. Keep on loving us. And I'll be bringing beautiful collections of you and ఇంకా మంచిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను బ్యూటిఫుల్ శారీస్ని. ఎందుకంటే దాని అందం వర్ణిస్తే కానీ అర్థం అవ్వదండి. ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ కానీ ఆ శారీ గురించి చెప్తే కానీ అర్థం అవ్వదు. సో మీరు ఎలాగూ రారు, చూడలేరు కాబట్టి I want to explain and it's my job. Thank you so much, Ruth Garu. And this is the pink color blouse, contrast with border. Saree pricing and details. 6,570. Take the screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Next saree. It's a burnt orange with blue and green, quite different and unique combination. All over anta kuda diamonds. Ila drop shape buttas vachai. And this is the zigzag design in the both borders and kaddi in the edge. And pallu anta kuda diamonds with diamond buttas. Blouse contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 6660. AV466 is the code. Yeah. Next saree. Next beautiful saree. Navy blue with pink. Cross checks with beautiful diamonds. Typical patola weave laga undandi. Chala baagundi. Diamonds and florals, so colorful. And border వచ్చేసి కడ్డీ border contrast, and pallu is contrast with beautiful kaddi lines and elephants in it. Blouse contrast plain with border. Price and details of this pretty saree. 10,890. AV497 is the code. Next saree. Yellow and green, beautiful. We got upper side yellow. In the middle we got both yellow and green dual tone with the diamond buttas, and downside green with the zigzag lines, and this is the kaddi in the edge. Pallu anta kuda zigzag lines, contrast pallu. Blouse contrast with border. Sorry, pricing and details. It's 8,100. AV515 is the code. Yes. Next saree. Yeah, blue and pink. Very beautiful ikat saree with diamonds and stems, and beautiful border with florals and kaddi contrast border. Pallu contrast with a florals and diamond shape, and blouse, it's a contrast plain blouse with border. Price and details of this beautiful saree. It's 8,100. Yeah, next amazing saree is coming on my way. Beautiful saree, very pretty brinjal shade with a green combination. Very lovely. All over anta kuda zigzag pattern, and the beautiful kaddi border with floral vines. In the ending we got a diamond brocade. It's called as Narakunji. Very pretty border andi idantha kuda peta border antaru, kanchi laga untundi. And this is the lovely contrast pallu with beautiful diamond borders. Blouse contrast with ikat weave and border. Saree pricing and details. It's 12,150. 80321 is the code. Next saree, bright and beautiful color combination. Lime yellow with royal blue combination with a touch of green. Zari checks with beautiful diamonds. Border green color floral vines and kaddi, and this is the downside royal blue with beautiful peta border diamonds. This is the pallu with a stripes and floral vines alternate contrast pallu, and very pretty contrast blouse with a zari checks and border. to good and lovely and bright combination. Saree pricing and details, it's 12,150. 8285 is the code. Next saree. Yeah, green and red color. Beautiful zigzag weave and downside very pretty elephants and ambaris. Beautiful kaddi with florals downside, zari lines. Pallu anta kuda ila diamonds and florals vachayi, borders with zari lines, contrast pallu. Blouse contrast with ikat diamonds and border. Saree pricing and details, 12,150. AV526 is the code. Yeah. Next saree. White and red. Beautiful half white and red. Lovely printed florals and birds, and downside anta kuda green color lo plant booties in florals in oval shaped design, and kinda anta kuda zigzag brocade in red color. Pallu contrast with diamonds borders. Blouse contrast with ikat buttas in border. Saree pricing and details, 13,410. AV520 is the code. Next saree. Beautiful blue and magenta. Zigzag to blocks vachayi. Zigzag blocks, square blocks, and border kaddi with temples, elephants, contrast. Idi na peta border andi beautiful ga, and this is the pallu. Cross checks with beautiful ikat buttas, contrast pallu. Blouse is contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details, very pretty combination kada, blue and magenta, and 10,890 is the price. AV519 is the code. Yeah. Let's look into the deals of the day for today.